Hi, and welcome back. I am Cindy, aka Beauty Pageant Coach, and I'm so glad that you returned. Today, I want to talk about pageant talent. And these are four things that I wish that contestants and or parents knew before they compete in at the pageant talent in a pageant talent, and this is for my dancers. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not a dancer, okay? I try to dance, but I'm not very good at it. I can hold a little bit of a beat and a little bit of a tune, but no, I'm not your dancer when it comes to talent in a pageant. I am a singer, but today this is for my dancers. So I have my notes handy here and I'm going to be looking at them. Number one, if you are a dancer, okay, in a pageant, then I want you to make sure that your routine is tasteful. Okay, we're going to come back to that. Number two, make sure your outfit matches your routine. Okay, and then number three, if you forget a step in your dance, right? Don't stop dancing. Okay. And then number four, the final tip, right? Or the final thing that I wish dancers knew for pageant talent would be to don't make crazy faces when you mess up. Okay, let's go back to number one. So, number one is your routine should be tasteful. Many times you will have judges, right, who are a little bit old fashioned, okay, and who may not be as well versed to all of the different types of dance styles. All right. So you want to make sure that in your routine, you are not doing a lot of backside shaking, okay, aka booty shaking. You also want to make sure that you are not doing a lot of like splits, or I'm talking about the splits maybe where your front area is you, right, remember you're on a stage and sometimes the judges are sitting low, so you want to make sure that if you're doing some kind of dance from the front or split or whatever from the front, that your front area is not in the judges' faces. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I've been judging pageants for a very, very long time. I've judged well over thousands of contestants, okay? And even when I coach for the talent portion, I always make sure that my contestants have a tasteful routine. Okay, so this is not nothing I'm something I'm making up. I've seen so many dancers with untasteful routines and they look great, and maybe there's certain parts of the routine that is great, but then they lose the talent portion or they get scored very low and don't even place. Okay, so that's number one. All right. And then number two, you want to make sure your outfit, your attire, okay, goes with your performance. Okay. So if you are dancing, right, say you're doing a ballet, you're doing a ballet routine, okay, then you should have on ballet attire. You wouldn't want to have on like boots, okay. You wouldn't want to have on heels, right? And you're doing a ballet routine, okay? Number one, that probably wouldn't be very comfortable, but number two, it wouldn't match, right? Your presentation, okay? And it's all about packaging. We want to make sure that the packaging is right, okay? So not only is it about your dance, but it's also about your attire. It's from head to toe, as well as the dance routine. Number three, if you forget your dance routine, don't stop dancing. Okay. If you stop dancing, it's going to be pretty obvious that you forgot. We, as judges, we don't know, or the audience, we don't know your routine. Okay. So don't stop dancing. Please keep dancing. We don't know what you're doing. Okay. And then also, number four, if you mess up, right? Don't don't let us see it on your face. So don't do something crazy with your face, letting us know that you messed up because it's pretty obvious, okay? We will score you low, okay? Even if you had a flawless routine, that one facial expression, or you stop in the middle of the routine, or you walk off. I've seen that before too. Or you don't even finish your routine and you walk off. All right. You are going to be scored very, very low. Okay. Remember those four things. Okay. Let's do a quick recap. Number one, tasteful routine. Okay. Number two, make sure your outfit matches your dance, your presentation. And number three, you want to make sure that you don't stop in the middle of your routine when you forget, if you forget. Number four, don't make a crazy face. Okay, I hope these tips for my dancers and the pageant talent helped. Please share this to someone that you know is going to be competing in the pageant, and then they're going to be doing a dance routine and as their talent. Share this with them. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, please, and like and subscribe if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Okay, what are you waiting for? Also, I'm going to see you in my next video. And remember, I love you, okay? And I will see you on the stage. Bye.